Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a bicycle tire using slime. So basically all you need to do is you have to have a flat tire. Now you can use more than a bicycle tire. This slime stuff is really nice. It says it's good for multiple different types of tires. You got a wheelbarrow, rolling carts, bikes, dirt bikes, motorcycle maybe, etc. So the first thing to do is remove your cap here. As you can see, I've already got it off. Then we need to pull that valve core out. If you don't have a valve stem removal tool, don't worry. Slime's got you covered. There is one right there. So we can just get this right in here and then twist it. And there we go. There's the core. Next step is take this tube right here, put it over the top. So we're gonna go like that. And there we go. And then after that, you take the slime and put it right here and squeeze. And look at it go right in there. Unbelievable. How much, I'm not even sure, but we'll give it a good amount. And then go like that. And you can see it's real thick stuff. I don't know what we do here now. We're kind of in trouble if that's not going to go in there or what. It does say on the back, squeeze in slime, reinstall valve core, just add air, roll to distribute sealant. So next thing we're going to do is take care of that tube. Put the valve core back in. Alright, so I've got the valve core back in. I didn't use a whole bunch of the slime. I probably only used about there, a quarter of it. Yeah, maybe not even a quarter. There's the line right there. So we'll see. I'm going to rotate the tire a little bit. Help distribute it. And I'm going to air it up and we'll see how it lasts. I'll come back after I air it up and give it a little test and make sure it holds its air. Okay, here we are. I've put some air in the tire. Took me a very long time because that's what I used, a little hand pump. Really shouldn't be used to inflate all the way. It's really just an emergency deal, but that's all right. It's all I had. The tire is good and full. You can see there. I really can't push. So it's solid. I rotated it a few times. I even took it on a little test spin and it seems to be holding. So we'll see. Hopefully it works very well. But that is it. That is how to repair a flat tire using the slime Prevent and Repair Flat Tire Tube Sealant. So I'd recommend if you have any flats, use this, fix them up, try it. Hopefully it'll work for you. If not, you might have to try something else. But that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you share it with your friends, like it. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and also if you're feeling like it, leave a donation to help support the channel. Thank you.